Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the Nintendo Switch OLED model. So I got my Nintendo Switch OLED model from Target for $349. $349 from Target. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this Nintendo Switch OLED model out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the Nintendo Switch OLED model. On the top left corner, we have the Nintendo Switch logo. And here at the bottom, this indicates this is the OLED model. There are 3 different models, and one of them is this model. Here we have this Nintendo Switch. The OLED model comes with a 7-inch display. Nintendo Switch OLED model comes with 2 different color variants, and I chose mine with the blue and red Joy-Cons, while the other color is that has a white Joy-Cons along with a white stand, where in this particular version is in black. So let's go ahead and take a look on the sides of the box. On this side of the box, it is an OLED model that comes with a 7-inch OLED screen and 64 gigabyte system memory. As you can see there, here we have this dock with LAN port, LAN port that is, and this comes with an adjustable stand for this OLED model. So that is it on this side of the box, and now let's take a look on the other side of the box. On the other side of the box, here we have the Nintendo Switch logo, and it talks about the contents that comes included inside of the box, which is the Nintendo Switch console, the Joy-Con neon blue and neon red Joy-Cons. It comes with a Joy-Con strap, HDMI cable, Nintendo Switch dock that in black color, and it comes with a Joy-Con grip and also the Nintendo Switch AC adapter. So that is a lot that is inside this box. And with that being said, here's the top side of the box that says Nintendo. Love Nintendo. Seems like I'm living in the past with my 64 days. And here's the back side of the box. So the back side of the box, it talks about the 3 modes that you can play this in. The tabletop mode, and as you can see there, the TV mode, and handheld mode. So this is really innovative by Nintendo. Nintendo has always been innovative. And with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox the Nintendo Switch OLED model. So here at the bottom, here we have this tab that we need to pull out, and that should show us of what we will see inside of the box. So once you open up this part of the box, here it talks about the steps on how to set this up. Plug it in for step 1, set it up for step 2, and here at the bottom you can see on how to remove the Joy-Cons from the Nintendo Switch system. And here's all other information, and here's what we will get in the Nintendo Switch OLED model. Really love the simple presentation. We have the Joy-Cons in blue and red colors. Here we have the Nintendo Switch system itself. But first, let's remove the Joy-Cons from the packaging that it comes with. Here's the blue Joy-Con, and here is the red Joy-Con. Really want to be colorful with my Nintendo Switch. And here is the Nintendo Switch, and let's remove it from the packaging. And this Nintendo Switch OLED model comes with a 7-inch OLED display, while the other models comes with a 5.5 and 6.2 displays. And here's a closer look at the Nintendo Switch system. And here's the back side. And Nintendo also offers the Lite model, which is a 5-inch display that you can't remove the Joy-Cons from. But here it is. Here's the reading materials that we have here. The reading materials talks about the health and safety information and usage guidelines. And I'm pretty sure it offers other legal information. So that is the reading materials. And now let's go ahead and remove this part of the box and check out what we have here. Here we have the HDMI cables that come with the Nintendo Switch OLED models. These are of good quality. These are from Nintendo themselves. Up next, here we have the power AC adapter. Let's remove that from the plastic. And here it is. And this is a USB Type-C connection. Pretty awesome. Basically, the feature is USB Type-C. And here are the grips. So if you feel like you need to play in TV mode, here is the accessory that you'll need in order to play TV mode. Or you can also use these straps to play in TV mode or tabletop mode. And to be honest, I think the straps should be enough in playing in either modes that I just mentioned. And lastly, here is the dock stand that is in black. If you buy the other color, which comes with white Joy-Cons, you'll get a white dock stand. But if you pick the blue and red Joy-Cons, it comes with a black stand. And here, for this model, you can remove this part, which is a compartment. If I can remove it, here we go. Here, this is where you're going to put in your AC adapter, your HDMI port, and your LAN ports. And let's put back the cover. And yeah, so let's go ahead and check out the Nintendo Switch OLED model. So here's the Nintendo Switch OLED model with the 7-inch OLED display, really bright display. Here you have the blue and red Joy-Cons on either side. Here on the top part of the Nintendo Switch, here you have your buttons, your ventilation, and your game card. And here at the bottom, here you have your USB Type-C connection where you charge your Nintendo Switch or dock your Nintendo Switch. And here's the back side that has a reliable kickstand. And this is where you're going to put in your MicroSD card. And yeah. And here's the home screen of the Nintendo Switch. Since I have no games, this is what we'll show as. Here we have the Nintendo Switch Online, News, eShop, your album, controllers, system setting, and sleep mode. So that's about it for the unboxing of the Nintendo Switch OLED model. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this Nintendo Switch. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox With Alex Trinh. I'll see you on the next one.